What's going on? Today's video is all about pizza and chill. In today's video, I wanted to share with you something slightly different. I'm making cauliflower pizza. This is a recipe that I tried about 2 or 3 times and I love it. It's obviously a low-calorie alternative to the regular pizza, and I know this might not be everyone's cup of tea, but you know what? I have been really enjoying figuring out alternative recipes to my favorite things that are not calorie laden. So for this recipe, I'm using cauliflower rice, of course, an egg and goat's cheese to bind, and oregano. It's such a simple recipe, and I'm weighing everything too so I can add the exact measurements to the MyFitnessPal app. So now I'm adding everything to the bowl and mixing it up using my hands to ensure everything is all mixed together well. And now I'm just pouring that mixture onto the baking tray and spreading it out. While the pizza crust is in the oven, I will go ahead and cut my toppings. I'm just using mushrooms and onions and some tomatoes. Put a little bit of olive oil on top, and I will also put that into the oven. I'm using the MyFitnessPal app to add the ingredients that I weighed for this meal. This app allows you to scan barcodes, save meals and recipes, and use quick tools for fast and easy food tracking. You know, tracking can get tedious, but I believe it's the best way to manage how much you consume and have a better understanding of the nutritional content of all your meals. If you want to really shock yourself, trust me, track what you eat in a typical day and compare the calories you burned with what you consumed. I did this and was absolutely appalled. I was like, Ashley, you did that. Girl, behave. Do not take your anger out on the scale. My God. So my pizza crust is done, and I am just adding some pesto and some mozzarella. So I'm keeping the toppings very, very simple, very minimal, because I don't want to re-add that moisture to the pizza crust. This is such a quick, simple recipe, and it is under 100 calories per slice. Not bad. Cauliflower has so many health benefits. It's high in fiber, and what I love about it is that it's very easy to incorporate into your diet. For example, you can make cauliflower fried rice, you can make cauliflower pizza, and you can also do cauliflower buffalo wings. Some people just prefer to just go in for the kill. I mean, I don't ever want to have an unhealthy relationship with food, and I feel like tracking your calories and what you put into your body can have a negative effect on some people, and I get that, but I think it's so important to be aware of what you're actually putting into your body. And you know what? I probably should have used MyFitnessPal for the roti and baigan that I made. I should have used it for the calorie, because sometimes it's shocking. So in case you don't have the cauliflower rice, you can use the cauliflower itself. What you do is you boil it and you put it in a food processor, I believe. It's important to squeeze the excess water out of the cauliflower because you want it to be dry. You don't want the added moisture. So I like the consistency that it had, but some of you may prefer a very, very dry crust. And another thing about the cauliflower pizza is that you want to keep the toppings minimal, because you don't want to re-add that moisture to the pizza because it will become soggy. And of course, I added a little bit of mozzarella. Here's the cauliflower pizza. I mean, I know what it tastes like, so I'm not gonna be like, wow, this is great. No, because I had this many times before. Because it's low in calories, and that's what I want right now. That is what I need, girl. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Sharing is caring. So if you have any healthy recipes please do share them with me in the comment section below. And of course, if you try this recipe, please let me know how it goes. You can keep up with me on Instagram at @IamAshleymariajohn. I'm always on there, probably too much. And until I see you next time, remember to live a fit 360 lifestyle, healthy body, healthy mind, always. Mwah.